so many wasps at my new house. This was sent for me to try. I'm so glad it comes in a 2-pack because I just bought a house, and so far with one walk around, I have 5 big wasp nests to handle. And this works on wasps, hornets, and yellow jackets. It is safe around pets and people when used as directed. So let's get out there. Just remove this tab before your first use. It's like locked, but it comes off nice and easy. Just twist it off. This plant-powered spray sprays up to 15 feet, so you can stay a good safe distance away. This is the aftermath. It worked instantly. Again, it really did work instantly, and there's no lingering smell. It almost smells a little lemony.